Are you anxious about the future? It's really hard not to be. Seems like at every corner, there is some new fear and anxiety of something that is to come. It's humanity's greatest suffering to be anxious about tomorrow, to worry. How much of your life is spent worrying about the future? How much money you're going to need in the future? Your relationships and whether or not they're going to work out in the future? Your wealth, your health? So how would it feel to truly, and I mean truly, trust in the future? Let's look at that. What does that even look like? To fully trust that you're in the hands of God. 5 things that I want you to focus on whenever you feel anxiety about the future. The first thing is return your attention to the present. Don't overcomplicate things for the present moment. What are you doing right now? Let's say you're walking and you're thinking about the future and you're worrying about the future. Come back to the present, that all you're doing right now is walking, or you're eating, or you're doing the dishes. What does it feel like in your body? Not in your mind, but in your body. The physiological sensation of just being and existing. So that's number 1. Number 2, recognize that worry is not preparation. It is a habit of imagined fear. Hasn't happened yet. It's imagined. It is up here, and it causes a sensation of fear, but it has no reality in and of itself, because you have no idea what the next moment is going to bring. All you can do is conjecture, speculate, imagine what the next moment. So if that's all you can do, then imagine the next moment surprising you with something great. Assume wonderful instead of dread. So that's number 2. Number 3, trust that clarity arrives when it is needed, not months before, not weeks before, when it is needed. There is huge trust needed for you to accept this. Clarity will always arrive when it is needed. Clarity is a state of being, and it comes from faith. Because as long as you believe that you will never be clear, you will never be clear. Number 4, release the belief that controlling outcomes somehow creates safety. The reason why you need to release this belief is because it is so long held that we can control the outcome of anything. There are so many variables in life that determine an outcome. It's not just the actions that we take, the decisions that we make. An outcome is affected by the decisions that everyone else makes as well, and then some. So stop lying to yourself that somehow you can possibly control the outcome. You can envision a positive outcome and then let it go. The how is not up to you. The how has divine timing, and the universe conspires for the how to be realized in your life. So stop thinking that controlling it is going to lead to safety, and instead surrendering and letting go of control is what actually leads to safety. And then number 5, make peace your priority today instead of trying to solve tomorrow. Solving a problem is a state of being that keeps the problem unsolved. I'll say it again. Trying to solve a problem is a state of being that keeps the problem unsolved, because the only true problem is not complicated, is that you do not believe that you are one with God. You do not believe that your will is one with God's will. That's the only problem. As long as you believe that you are somehow separate from God, then all of the complexity of your problems start to surface. So let that go and make peace your priority. Make peace your priority today. And in the words of Jesus, do not worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow will take care of itself. Let today's troubles be sufficient for the day. This is lesson 194 in A Course in Miracles workbook. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share these videos, and we'll see you next time for lesson 195. Thank you.